When disaster strikes, rebuilding isn't just about structures, it's about restoring peace of mind. Akraa Architects is helping families and businesses rebuild after the fires, and we can help you too. A dedicated team ready to guide you from consultation to completion. Serving Altadena, the Palisades, and all fire-affected areas across Los Angeles. Free consultation now available. Call now. 818-241-0500. Learn more at www.akraarchitects.com.